So, last video was only showcasing one. We're going to showcase all of them, everything I got. Some of it was for my birthday, so I'm not going to show stuff that was for my birthday. Also, I don't have it in the same bag, so yeah. Obviously, I would do a birthday video, you know. You know, you have the, like, you got the goods. If you watched last video, you'd know what it was. It was a Mandalorian thing. Alright, so I've got 4 more things. These. I think we're actually really worth it. And then some more figures, stuff like that. Just gonna unbox all of them, and also, oh, they're in there. Okay, I'm gonna unbox these two. So you got the Reese's peanut butter cups pencil case. It is $1. Come on, you can't admit, you can't go wrong. And then you got like a squishy ball. But yeah, we are gonna start off with the squishy ball, and then we'll get into like the big boy stuff, you know. So obviously, yeah, you're not open it. Well, this is fun. Can't open packet. Oh, it's one of them. Okay, it's like a Ziploc bit. I know Ziploc. Zip seal. That's it. That's cool. I don't. Can you see on camera? Yeah, you can. Okay, so it'll be like holographic. So that's fine. Right. So yeah, that was only 1 minute. Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna actually go. Okay, Stormtrooper. We're gonna unbox it like I never have before. How do I unbox that? Pretty nice. Okay. Star Wars Obi-Wan Kenobi. Don't know why it's saying that. Unboxing. I think that's it. Here's an instruction manual. There's an instruction manual. Yay! Love it. There ain't instructions though. Don't love it. Okay. You got this. No, you probably wondering. What is that? It is what I bought. Thank you. You are not telling me what I cannot buy in here. I believe. Oh, hello, Boo Boo. Right, we got Boo Boo. Hello. And unbox the box. Do you want to unbox it? Boo Boo. Do you want to unbox it? So that's a dog. Yep. Okay. That's our background guest now. Don't poo on any, or don't eat anything. Okay. Look, Boo Boo. What's this? Oh, I'm sorry, I have to. Right, Boo Boo's off. Smelled. I think she farted. She definitely farted. Alright. Let's actually unbox this now. It's taking a while. Don't ham on it. Gosh. Oh my god. That is so cool. I'm not like being sarcastic either. It's actually really cool. It's got an E11 blaster. Wow, wow, wow. So that's the Stormtrooper complete. But it weren't just the figure that I got. I also got a turret or cannon. So we're actually going to unbox that now. And I don't know why. It feels like you could put that in, but you can't. Okay. So I think that is the base. Base, buttery biscuit base. Yeah, it's the base. Next, you have got the blaster, and then you just need to place it down like that. Bada bing, bada bop. Done. Stormtrooper and the blaster. That is so cool. I can have a battle with that now. But we're missing one thing. One more villain. We're not missing one more villain. I've just got another villain. Because villains are cool. Boo Boo! We're going to let Boo Boo. Boo Boo, unbox. Go. Okay. Boo Boo won't unbox it, so I do. Okay, so, this is white the interesting thing. It's fine. So, we've got the figure itself in here. What in the world was that? I just lose something. Guys, moment, please. Okay. Didn't lose anything. Oh, no, it just slid out the box. Into the box again. Okay, I'm fine. So this time, you got the doctor. So that's what it looks like. And we've got it. So it's actually a jetpack. So it'll be really cool. So we're going to unbox. I am not going to bother. He is barking. Oh, wow. Okay, so you got the Dark Trooper. And then the blaster that he uses. That is one of my favourites. That is nice. And then also you got the jetpack too. That guy just looks wicked. Right. So now we're moving on from them like sort of boxes. Now we're going on to the big boy stuff. I'm gonna need to be careful not to tear up the box like badly. Because these are rare, I believe. These bad boys. So I'm gonna try to unbox that really carefully. And then keep the palette that it comes on. But there's a bit of a problem. Okay. So I've done it clean-ish, I guess. Alright. Let's see if I could unbox it. Oh, yes, I've done it, okay. Okay. I'm not throwing this in the bin because I need that. Like collection cake, I don't know. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm gonna keep them. What does this say? I am so sorry. Oh wow. Oh, it's just a leaflet that probably. We don't need that. I'm scared. Feels stiff. I don't trust it. Like one bit. Let's do it. Come on. Look at that. Not that poseable. I mean, it's like a collector's item, so I don't know why it'd be poseable. Except for if you broke it. Well, I'm not going to break it. Is Boo Boo? Boo Boo. I think the dog's back. Ouch. No, why did I say ouch? It didn't hurt. What I done was flung over last time. That looks wicked. Okay, I don't know what to do. I'm just surprised. That looks so nice. Okay. Jesus Christ. The Star Wars is getting mad. Right, let's try to do the same thing but with Mandalorian. If you stick around for an extra minute or so, just to see me almost probably fail this. Is it not?
Will you look in that first drawer?
Okay.
The one.
See, I can't.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, so I ripped half of it. Oh no! I'm back. Ripped half of it off. Mandal. Why? Why in the world did I say Mandalorian? I mean, here's Mandalorian, but yeah. Steve Boba. But I'm not going to say the F word. Bet. Family friendly here. Baby! Baby! Oh no, the blast is here. Baby! Baby! Come on! I'm getting distracted. Right, sometimes you've got to put things on top. Can that come out? I got Boba Fett. That's one of my favourites. That has to be. Got a blaster. And a blaster. Come on. That looks wicked. Right. We are going to keep the packets for these retro ones. We're going to keep the video off. Goodbye.